Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can send a whole folder using Gmail, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to send a folder using Gmail, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to compose an email that you will send first, so just go and click this. And after that, just enter the email address of the person you want to send this email to. Make sure to enter their email address correctly so they can receive your email without a problem. And now that you've entered the email address, I will now show you how you can send or attach a folder on this email. So to do that, just click the Attach File button right here. And after clicking it, your File Explorer will appear, so just go to the location of the folder you want to send. And after that, you will now be able to see your folder. So normally, when we try to send a whole folder on Gmail, it's just not working. As you can see, when I try to click the Open button, it just keeps opening the folder rather than attaching it right here. The reason for this is because Gmail does not support folder attachments directly, it requires files to be sent individually or in a compressed format. So to fix it, you just need to compress your folder into a zip file. So to do that, just open your File Explorer. Reminder guys, not this one, but the real File Explorer. And once you're on your File Explorer, just go to the location of the folder you want to send. And once you've found your folder, I want you to select it. And then right-click it. And after that, you will now be able to see the compress option, just go and click it. And then select Zip File. And after that, your folder will now be turned into a zip file, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now go back to your Gmail. And now that we're in Gmail, we will just need to send or attach the zipped version of our folder right here. So to do that, just click the Attach File button. And then just go to the location of your folder. And after that, just find the zipped version of the folder you created earlier. And once you've found it, just select it. And then click the Open button to attach the file. And then here you go guys. The folder will now be attached without a problem, so you can now start sending it. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, you have now sent a whole folder using your Gmail. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.